Hi. So this is weird. Here we are in lockdown, and you might be the same as me. You might be looking in the mirror going, oh my goodness, look at that big dark stripe that's coming down the top of my head. As my kids keep telling me, Mummy, you're turning brunette again. So I just thought I'd show you what I do and how I keep on top of my own roots. It's one of those weird things where nobody ever believes that I colour my own hair. I do. So there we go, that's it. So this is my 10.01. Obviously, before you start colouring your own hair, the most important thing to do is patch test. We say it all the time. You have to take a little test underneath at the back there because everybody's skin is different and everybody reacts in different ways. I just do this front section. I tend not to worry about underneath. So brush it all out first so you can see the big line. And then I just do this. I squeeze down the middle and then I kind of just like push it into those bits. Like that. So it's actually a little bit slapdash. I can almost hear you screaming, don't do it like that, you're going to end up with a big thick line. Well, I've got a big thick line and it's brown. And this just takes off that edge. Like that, you see? Right, 25 minutes. I'm cooked, I'm washed. I don't know what's happening here. Give it a little shake out and then attempt to get a comb through it. Done, dried, finished, no roots, no disasters, no greys. So there you go. That's how I colour my hair. Give it a go, see how you get on. Best of luck to you. And please, please, please read the instructions for yourself and remember to do a patch test.